Okay, I'm going to show you how to make yourself a cheap chalk holder for fat chalk, sidewalk chalk, out of a vitamin tube like you'd get for Barocco or something similar to that, like this one. So that's what it looks like when it's finished. So you need something like this. This is an earlier prototype, so I need to do this one again. So all you do, cut off the end of the tube and then take some duct tape, and you want a couple of long strips. You want them to be long, because if they're too short, when you pull the chalk out the end, the tension will pucker in and break the tape. So maybe a little bit longer. About that. Box. Let's try it again. Oh, here, that's right, scissors. I got scissors as well. So you don't really need much. Roughly about that. Try and get them even, don't let them touch. Okay, this is a good point to put in your chalk, because the chalk will stop the tape from sticking to itself. Don't really want that. Like so. That side, might have to fix that up later. And then you chalk out here and dust up the duct tape so it's nice and not sticky anymore. And then, didn't actually want that to join. Ideally you want it so that there's no gap, but it's not going to matter too much. Put some slits in it. Really didn't want to have to edit this, but I think I might need to speed it up. And again, you guys all know where the fast forward button is. Right, okay, so get your chalk out there, like that. So chalk's in the end, and a rubber band. Like so. Put that over. Try and get that down as far as you can. Yeah, so there's the end of the tube, and all the way there, just at the end there. And now fold these pieces back over. Like so. And another rubber band. Over the top to hold it. Ta-da! Oh look, just like that one. Beautiful. If you really wanted, you could put duct tape over the top of that to hold it in, but if you do this, it's easier to repair it when inevitably the rubber bands break. They'll break before the duct tape does. And if the duct tape breaks, well, you just peel it off and put some more on. It's pretty simple. Okay, there you go. There is a chalk holder, and I recommend putting more duct tape on the body of your tube so you get more grip. If you don't have a tube, you could probably make it out of a cardboard. Just wrap it around the chalk, and then duct tape around that. It's not going to be as rigid as a tube, and you really want something quite rigid, because when you're pushing down on the chalk, you want the tension in here so that it's not going to break your chalk in half. You can still move the chalk back, but it's pretty good. It's a pretty good tight fit. It comes out much easier than it goes in. You can kind of see that moving there. Okay, there you go. Have fun.